Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.
Hello dear viewer, in this video I am going to show you how to protect your profile picture by active Facebook profile picture guard. If you want to do that, just click on your profile picture and go to the option menu. Now click on the turn on profile picture guard. Now you can see the border, the card icon. Now click on the save. Okay, you can see the picture and there have the protection guard icon, so you maybe understand how to protect the profile picture. Thanks for watching my video.
Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.